Hey everybody, this is Falco. I'm going to teach you nose slide pop over today. I recommend learning nose stalls and switch blunts first. Now that you have nose stalls and switch blunts really confident, I recommend going towards the spine and doing a nose stall. Once you're feeling confident with that nose stall and you're ready to do this, drop in with a little bit more speed, do a nose stall but with the intention of going over. Right at your peak, snap your nose and come in like a switch blunt. It's that easy. Okay, we've got the nose stall pop over now. I would try it for a few weeks so you're really confident with it. Once you're feeling it, approach the spine with a big angle. Really lean into that nose slide. Slide as far as you can. The farther you slide, the more you want to go into like a nose blunt. When you're ready and before the board stops, pop in and ride away smooth. This is a harder one, but I think you guys can get it. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time.